All right, all you beekeepers, we're going to start winterizing our hives. We've been feeding with the bucket system. Whatever you're feeding with is fine. So we're going to remove our bucket. You can see the bees are they're slow this day, November 5th. We're just going to kind of let them know we're coming in. They should be nice and heavy. So you can see the cluster, so how many bees you have. I'm sure they look the same underneath. So I'm just going to knock them off. We're not going to go in, but if you look down in here, you can see the capped honey. So this hive looks good. Push them down a little bit. I'm just taking straight-o wax paper. What we want to do is leave room all around here so air can move here. I don't want wall-to-wall sugar. We're just doing this. I'll show a video of how we mix this, but it's just sugar and water. You can see how it clumps. And I don't know. You can always add more later. Two, 3 pounds. We have a rim board, 3 inches, has 2 inches of dense foam in it, a 1/2 inch hole in the front, or what will be the front. And when we put that on, we have 1 inch of space. That's for your sugar and for them to mill around in there. We left the vent all the way around. The cool air comes in the front, condensates to the top, hits this, chimneys out that 1/2 inch hole. Our hive's slanted because we do use solid bottom boards. So all the moisture is going to hit the front of the hive and go down. The bees do need moisture in the winter. And these girls are ready. Now, depending on what your configuration of your hives, this is sort of an inner cover. That's what we have. I don't know what happened to them. We have a variety of things. So this one happens to use this plug, and this little girl's going to go home. And we're plugging this lid. If you would have an inner cover, you could put your inner cover here, which you almost need to, and then your telescoping cover. The inner cover would prevent your telescoping cover from covering that 1/2 inch hole. These girls are ready. Your next thing would be to treat with oxalic acid. If you do that, we'll get all our hives done like this. We'll come back and treat with oxalic. We'll try to do it again before the end of the year and let them go through winter. The next time we get in them will be end of January, somewhere in February. Just take a peek. Now remember, when you are taking a peek with this, like you saw there, the bees were at the top. The bees will be at the top because this is the warmest place in the hive. So don't just throw this off. Go ahead and take a look-see, see how much sugar you have left. You can always pre-make some patties. Just remember, about 3/4 inch thick. It'll get hard. You can come in there and slip them a little treat. Don't be afraid to come out here. If it's halfway decent, in the 40s, sun's up, open your lid. Make sure your bees are okay. Make sure they have food. Don't wait till it's 70. There you go.